Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show what is opacity and how to use it. Let's get started. So first step, let's create a new background. Right mouse, new and solid, and change name background, click OK, and lock layer. Then go to shape layers. Let's select one ellipse tool, hold shift, make like this, click selection tool, change stroke width 0 and go to fill. Let's select color blue, click OK and close settings, change name, shape, layer. Okay, so we have two ways for use opacity. First step, select this layer, press 10 the keyboard. We can see here opacity and we can change this like this. Okay, then we can add animation keyframes in this opacity. Let's click this icon for create new and first keyframe and go to 1 second, change this opacity value 0. Let's see, nice. Then go to here 2 second, change again this opacity 100. Let's preview. Okay, nice. So let's select these keyframes and delete. Let's create a new control layer, adjustment layer for control these opacity keyframes. So right mouse, new and adjustment layer, change name controller and go to effect, go to here expression controller and select this slider controller. Then open controller here, open effects, open slider controller and go to first second and hold alt, click this icon for open expression and let's select this, hold and parent to this slider. Then for done expression, click this input area. Okay, let's select this controller, go to here, open slider and let's see, nice. So let's close these settings and let's make keyframe animations. Make slider keyframe, go to 1 second, change slider like this. Let's see. Okay, and go to 2 second, change opacity again like this. Let's preview. So nice. Then select this controller for C keyframes, press U in the keyboard. We can see here this controller slider keyframes. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.